And the reason that's important context is because the UK Supreme Court was explicitly judging the Johnson prorogation against the UK's norms.
Hi, everybody. This is a big day for Canada. It's February 14th, 2025, and I'm watching the Federal Court of Canada in Ottawa in a Supreme Court courtroom. This is the hearing of the challenge to Justin Trudeau's closing down of Parliament for 11 weeks so that the Liberal Party could elect a new leader to replace him at a time when, since January 6th of 2025, Donald Trump has repeatedly threatened to make Canada the 51st state with Justin Trudeau as his governor. And he has imposed 25% tariffs on all goods from Canada. He paused that supposedly for 30 days and then reinstated 25% tariff on steel imports from Canada. So 2 men from Nova Scotia, just to explain the background, 2 men from Nova Scotia challenged Justin Trudeau's shutting down of our parliament, Canada's parliament, at such a critical time in Canada's history. We've never, and I'm almost 70, I can tell you, never have I heard a U.S. president threaten to do anything like annex our beautiful country or make it a 51st state. And Donald Trump is just geriatric, insane enough to do such a thing. And when someone tells you they're going to do something, I think you pretty much have to go on that and don't second guess their clearly stated intentions. So the argument is that Justin Trudeau shut down Parliament for his own political ends so that it give time for the so-called Liberal Party of Canada to re-elect a new leader to replace him or appoint a new leader. They've pretty much settled on the former Bank of Canada head and Bank of England head Mark Carney, who's reviled by Britain and the British Prime Minister. Anyways, so you can watch this historic moment, and it's a very interesting hearing. You don't need to be a lawyer to appreciate it. There's a Department of Justice lawyers on right now, and she's got a British accent. She looks Chinese with a British accent. So I'm not racist, but, they couldn't find somebody with a Canadian accent, is what I'm saying. Anyways, it's a critical moment in my lifetime and in your lifetime, in Canada's lifetime. And Canada has existed really for 500 years and formally since 1867, thanks to my great-grandfather Jim Mulligan's law partner Sir Johnny MacDonald in the law firm of MacDonald, Marsh and Mulligan. Anyways, you can watch this by Googling Federal Court of Canada and look at the hearing list and just click on the hearing list and they'll send you a link, a Zoom link, to watch this hearing. Please do it. It's, as I said, it's a little bit highbrow and difficult to understand, even for me. I worked for the department, my first job, I worked for 3 years for the Canadian Department of Justice. And I don't know any of these people, but it's, it's challenging to understand, but it's a moment in history that I recommend you just take a moment to stop whatever you're doing and watch. So take care, everybody. I hope you take a moment to watch this interesting case. It's going on right now. I love you all. Happy Valentine's Day, and happy Valentine's Day to my beautiful country. You know, Canada's fallen on some hard times with Justin Trudeau is the most evil. He's not only ineffectual, but he's evil. He's effectual in being evil, just as Hitler was. You know, people make the comparison of Trump to Hitler. I never thought that, although Trump is, you know, a geriatric fool and malignant narcissist. He's not. Justin Trudeau is the man under who's presided over the deaths of the extrajudicial killing by the state of 60,000 innocent, vulnerable Canadians. His answer to everything is to kill people. He's responsible for the fentanyl crisis, which has further killed untold numbers of people. And now he's shut down the only government body that can fire him, which is the Parliament of Canada. We've got to get rid of this truly evil man and his scheme and his supporters. And the way Canada does things is through the courts. So take care, everybody.